Alright guys, so I'm here today. I just received a package from Hot Shot Secret, so shout out to them for sending me this and let me try out some of their products. I'm gonna try to follow up with some more videos with a review of how things work, what I think about it, but let's go through the box and see what we got here. So, really cool t-shirt from them, decal to help represent their brand. Got 2 quarts of Stiction Eliminator. Now this is an oil additive from what I read about it. It's supposed to help lubricate and increase or reduce wear. And I'm actually coming up on an oil change, so I'll be sure to put that in. FR3 friction reducer, also supposed to help reduce wear, and claims a 5% increase in horsepower, so we'll see. This is also an oil additive. EDT winter defense. So I'm here in North Carolina. It doesn't get extremely cold here, but this is supposed to help with anti-gelling, and also is a cetane booster. Everyday diesel treatment, so 6-in-1 fuel booster, and supposed to bump 7 points on cetane and increase fuel economy, so definitely always use that. Diesel Extreme, it's a fuel injector cleaner and also cetane booster. Supposed to restore throttle response, eliminate black smoke, and help with cold starts. Last, Never Rust lubricant. This is actually perfect timing because I just ran out of WD-40, and this claims to have 20 times more rust protection than WD-40. So we're gonna put this one to the test. I think I'll coat this whole entire square body Never Rust lubricant. As you can see, it's got quite a bit of rust, but the rest of these products I'll put in 2024 GMC Sierra with the Duramax in it, and see how it helps out.